Hola, hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Formula 2000 Diecast. Today we have two Kaido House M3 BMWs with different liberties, and I haven't opened them yet. I don't know if I'll get a chase or not. I doubt it. Those are pretty rare for this brand, so let's get cracking. Let's start with this one. This blue one with the BBS decal. I like Kaido House a lot, mainly their NXX and Skylines. They do pretty good. Uh, NSX. Sorry, I had to remove those annoying stickers on the side. Let's open it. We got our model right here. Check out the detail all around, like even on the interior. This rolled metal bodies with their signature metal base, and they do roll pretty smooth, if I say so. I like the aggressive body kit on this one. Pretty cool model, in my opinion. Um, I think they're a little bit bigger than 164. That's why some people have issues with that. But if you buy Hot Wheels thinking that they're 16 through 164, and that's your reasoning of buying them, then you are a fool, because they're not. Same thing with this one. Let me remove this annoying stickers, and we'll be back. Okay, we're good. Let's look at the box, and I think that's that guy's car. Has a 7-Eleven store. Both cars are licensed. Here we have the model. And I think this goes along the 7-Eleven hype that the Hot Wheels making with their specialty cars for 7-Eleven, like the Miata, the Supra last year, and the GTR. Which, by the way, I think I have one handy. I don't think that model's worth $7 in my opinion. Even if it's exclusive, and if it is Silverline, it's not worth it. It's just a ripoff. But that's what it is. You keep buying them. Now, let's take a look at this. All the sponsors that this thing has some carbon fiber in the B pillar right there. Like how the windshield is in the middle. Pencil 7-Eleven all over, all the different sponsors. There's a rolling cage inside. Yeah, pretty happy with this Kaido House models. One thing I almost forgot to show you guys is this one as well as that one, the blue one, have an opening part. With good detail. What did I say? Good? Did I say good? I mean excellent detail on the engine. Let's not break it. There we go. That is Kaido House. Well, let me know which one's your favorite. If you like Kaido House, not. It's a great brand. Yeah, you pay a premium for it, but it's worth it. The quality is there and it's high. So, thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Let me know which one's your favorite, what you want to see in the future, and keep supporting the iCast so we can keep bringing you more cool videos like this. And until the next one, guys, thank you, gracias, y adiós.